And we found that the SMEC machines have been excellent for what we need to do. So I started in 1993. I didn't have any money, so I had to sell a car that I had to buy my first little Bridgeport milling machine, and I started working out of my garage at night after my day job. So I did that for about 7 years. So our main machine is a SL65, one of our bigger machines. It goes up to 35 inches in diameter. So we do a lot of big, heavy parts, and we needed a machine with the horsepower and ability to manufacture these parts. So it's been a great machine. In our industry, we do a lot of tool steel, D2, your hardened materials. So we need a machine that was rigid enough, box lathes. You really can't, some of the other machines with the linear ways, you really can't do what we do here. It's a lot of big drills. And then at the end, we have to precision turn these parts that are 59 to 61 Rockwell. In order to do that, you have to have a machine with ball screws that are tight, rigid machines. So when you do them transition radiuses, you're not left with lumps and finish. And we found that the SMEC machines have been excellent for what we need to do. And we run them, 10, 12 hours a day, every day. And we've had machines that we've had for 10 years. I haven't done nothing with, so they just keep doing what they need to do, so I keep buying them. Well, as far as the cons go, there really hasn't been much of anything really, and what little problems we've had, I would just call down there and they get resolved right away. That's another thing about dealing with SMEC and JBM Technologies. Whenever I call, whether I call Ben or call the office, I'll get a live voice and it's immediately taken care of. Some of the other pros, which I talked about in the previous questions, the machines themselves are great machines, and also the availability of the machines. So there's never been a time, even during COVID, whatever machine I wanted was in the States already or very close to getting here. So I've never had to wait for a machine, or have I ever had to wait for somebody to get back to me. I've always been able to contact and be taken care of. And in this industry, that's very important. So really not too many cons. If little things happen, I was always taken care of right away. And the pros outweigh the cons by far. So I am Iron Man.